Well, good Tuesday afternoon to you. It's Dan. I want to welcome y'all to my home in the sticks. Hope everybody's having a good Tuesday. Lord of mercy, it's beautiful here in East Central Mississippi. It's a little cold, but you know what? It ain't raining. What I'd like to say is, if you are new to the Home in the Sticks channel, I want to welcome you. And if y'all are returning over here just to see what I got going on, Lord, thank y'all for coming back. But what I wanted to share with you and y'all today is, it's over there underneath the overhang of my shop. So we finna walk over yonder. Give me a second. That's what we finna do. All right, you and y'all, Lord of mercy. Springtime of 2018, I got some Mr. and Mrs. D over at 2-Seater Microfarm actually sent me some dipper gourd seeds. And I got one of the gourds to take off. And let me show you these gourds. These are the gourds that actually came off of the vine. And they actually, a few of them fell off probably in December, pretty much. And I have been letting these things sit in my shop, drying or curing. And I'm guessing this is what they are supposed to look like. These two right here are pretty much completely dry. This one's almost dry, and then it just progresses this way. But these gourds have this funny looking, I guess that's pink looking stuff on it. And old Dan is wondering if he is drying these things right. Now, I don't really know very many different ways to dry a gourd. That I don't know. This is, last year was my first year at trying to grow gourds, and I grew probably about 8 of them. You and y'all that may grow gourds for birdhouses or maybe dipper gourds or just gourds, period. If you could comment in on whether or not these gourds are drying right. I think they are. They look like they are. But this one's pretty much dry, but I don't hear any seeds in there. Now, I don't know if they're supposed to have some seeds in it, but Lord, if they have seeds in it, I'd like to split that gourd in half and possibly collect those seeds and share them with you and y'all if I can. So, yeah, please, you and y'all, weigh in on this if you have any experience with gourds. I know Mr. Mark and Miss Tina over at Bumblebee Junction. I know they do a lot of, I think like Martin gourds or bird gourds, yeah, gourds to make birdhouses and crafts and whatnot out. Hopefully y'all will weigh in it, and you and y'all, I know there's a few of y'all that actually mess with these gourds. So yeah, I really like to know what you and y'all have to say about how these things are supposed to dry and if I'm doing it right. As far as how I'm doing it, I just got them in my shop. You and y'all know I have a wood burning heater that runs pretty much all the time during the winter time. And these are just sitting up high. They're just sitting, they're not touching each other. They're just sitting up on the ledge up there in my shop, in my loft part of my shop, just sitting there. And it appears like they're drying or curing. So that I don't know. So why don't y'all help a brother out and let me know if I'm doing this right. All right, y'all, this is gonna be a show enough short video. It is not raining and the sun is out, so I have a lot of chores that I need to get done since it ain't raining over here at my home place. Again, I hope everybody's having a show enough good Tuesday, and I hope y'all are having a good week thus far. If you like this video, go on and give it a thumbs up to help. If you haven't subscribed to the Home in the Sticks channel, Lord of mercy, y'all need to come on over and give me a look, because I'm always doing stuff. Really. With that being said, you know it's coming. Damn referee showing off, always gonna say it. Don't let nobody dull your shine. And I mean nobody. You get your shine on, because it's important. And Dan will see you and y'all in the next video.